guys, Mike from the Off-Grid Shop here. We had a lot of inquiries about electric products using it off-grid or just electric products in general. Now, we're going to start doing some videos on the channel and talk about the EV products, but we're also going to do a build with this electric buggy. Now, I picked up this electric buggy and it had a few issues. We're going to do a full build in it and show you guys exactly how electric vehicle works. We've actually had a few customers that actually use these and the properties are pretty cool. And we've also got some people coming on the channel very soon that actually brought some of the brand new ones and had some issues with them. For us as a business, we're all about helping people and sharing information, the good, the bad and the ugly, because it's not all unicorns and rainbows when it comes to electric vehicles. We want to help you when you're purchasing a decision. We don't sell any of this stuff, but we want to make sure that when you're out buying all these electric things and things like that, we want you to give you the best knowledge possible, so when you're actually going to pick an electric blower or a brush cutter or a chainsaw or something like that, you know which one's going to be best suited to your application. Now, if this is something you're interested in, we'd love to hear the comments below what you'd like to see us electrify. We've got some really cool projects coming up. We're converting this buggy with we have an old 1984 TT600 we're converting. We've got a guy coming on the channel who's converted a VW Combi. He's about to do a Porsche and convert it to fully electric. So we've got some really cool stuff happening. And if this is what you're into, make sure you subscribe so you can check out the content when we get it out to you. If there's anything you'd like to see on the channel, whack down the comments below and let us know what you want us to talk about.